Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. Thank you for joining me in today's video as we do a little get ready with me to celebrate Halloween in Thailand. I was curious to see if anything would be happening around Thailand for Halloween, but before we could go exploring, I had to dress up for the occasion. To prep my skin, I'm starting off with some of my Pond's Day Cream and my SPF 30, which I mix together and then apply to my face. I'm then going to be applying my Yardley foundation with a damp beauty blender just to help it blend a bit more smooth. Now it's safe to say that I'm pale enough, but I wanted to make my face even more pale, so I am going to use a little bit of baby powder on my face and my neck. I'm not one to use face paint on my skin as I have very sensitive skin, so I think the baby powder might work a little bit better for me. Not that it's something that you would do on a general day, but if you ever put baby powder under your nose, just hold your breath for a few seconds. It is really strong and not a nice sensation if it goes up your nose. I'm bringing the baby powder down my neck and all the way onto my shoulders as well. I'm going to stick a little bit of tape next to my eyes as the eye makeup look is a bit messy, so this will just neaten it up a little bit. I'm starting off with the lightest shade of grey eyeshadow, which I'm going to be applying to the upper part of my eye, just underneath my eyebrow. I'm then going for a medium grey, which I'm then going to apply to the creases of my eyes. I'm then going to do the darkest possible grey that I have, which is almost black, and putting that on my eyelids. Now I'll be using some Black Essence eyeliner, which I'll be applying to my upper waterline. This is like a two-sided liquid liner, so I'm first going in with the little triangular piece which makes the wing a bit more defined. I'm then going to finish it off with the other side. I'm using some more of the tape and making little triangles above and below my eyes, which I will then color in with the same liquid liner. And while I give that a bit of time to dry, I'm going to use the same liquid liner to color in the circle of the cap, which I will then use to make a circle on my nose. After a minute or two of drying, it's time to remove the tape. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the baby powder to all of the black liner, just to prevent it from smudging throughout the night. And then of course I top my look off with some mascara. For this look, I'm going to put my hair up into two high pigtails, just to look a little bit more like a doll. I found a TikTok hack which was completely unnecessary for this look, but I wanted to try it in any case. So apparently if you take a fork and you color the back of the fork in with red lipstick or paint, and brush that across your skin, it is meant to look like you've been scratched. I'm using my black eyeliner as a lip liner, and I'm going to overline my lips and extend the corners of my lips outwards. I'm then going to make the lines a bit thicker and color the inside of my lips in black just to the midpoints of my lips. I'm then going to blend the black with some red lipstick and finish off the rest of my lips in red as well. For the fake scratches on my cheek, I'm going to use a bit of betadine just to give it a little bit of a fake blood effect. I've colored my nose in black, and I've just put a few lines next to the corners of my lips to maintain that doll look. And my makeup look is all done. Now moving on to the outfit. So I've decided to go with some fishnet stockings that have cute little bows on them. Jewelry wise, I'm just going for a plain black triple layer choker. And then I'm wearing some black sneakers, some black knee-high socks, and my black t-shirt that says Friends with all of the horror movie characters on. Thank you so much for watching this quick, simple, and fun get ready with me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next video where I go and explore 2 different locations in Bangkok to see if Thailand does or does not celebrate Halloween, and if they do, how do they do it here? Next video coming soon.